Kylee, and I am so glad that you are here today. Do you want to know why? Because you're awesome. You want to know the second reason? Because today there is something in the Maker Box. Let's check it out. The Maker Box always holds interesting stuff. Okay, do you have any guesses? Kind of crunchy, kind of thumpy. Only one way to find out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. I've used this before. It's an air dry sculpting material called Model Magic. Whoa, I'm gonna try to squeeze it right in its bag. It's really squishy, and when you leave it out for a couple days, it isn't squishy anymore. It gets hard, it dries out, so that whatever you sculpted can stay as a sculpture forever, like magic. Model magic. Model magic, model magic. What can we model, sculpt, that will be a little magical? I've got it. I know exactly what you and I should make today. Do you need model magic to make this magic model? No, you do not. Any air dry clay will do. But I'm thinking that today we'll take this to the studio and create a magic wand. Then we'll test it and see if it works. Let's go to the studio. Welcome to the studio. Let's make some magic wands. Let's make some magic wands. For this project, I'm going to be using this wooden skewer stick for making, kebabs or magic wands. And I'm going to use this Model Magic air dry clay, but you don't need to use this. Any kind of air dry clay would work for this project, okay? The first thing I'm going to do is take a chunk of this clay. Ooh, that's a good sound. And I'm going to roll it into a long coil. Rolling clay into coils is a way that ceramic artists hand build their sculptures or vessels. Today, it's how we are going to hand build our magic wand. Rolling, 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 rolling. All right, I have a nice coil. I'm gonna take my skewer. I'm gonna start on one end, and I'm just gonna start wrapping my whole skewer with my coil. This is gonna cover the whole thing and give it a nice base that anything else we wanna add onto it can stick to. Cool, I covered my whole wand. Now I'm gonna give this a little bit of a roll just to connect all those coils together so it's one big stuck piece. Sweet! Now you get to be creative. Maybe you don't like all those little lines. You can smooth it out. Maybe you want to add a star at the top or some bigger pieces for a handle at the bottom. You get creative with this. Magic is unique to you. You're the magic maker, so you need to make your magic wand the way that you want to make it. I'm going to start with a star on the top of mine, I think, but you do whatever you want. I'm gonna roll a ball like this, and then I'm gonna flatten it into a small slab of clay. That's another clay building technique. Now I'm gonna use a scissor actually to cut my shape, which is a star. I'm gonna plump it up a little bit. And now I'm just gonna stick this right on the end, and that clay is gonna stick it together. And I'm gonna make another one on the other side just to sandwich it in. I love it. Woo! Okay, now I'm gonna add some pieces for the handle. So I really have some good grip, in case my magic gets real wild. So, I think I'm just gonna take this coil and I'm going to build up some different areas on the handle. Then I can just smooth that out. Oh, yes, 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 I'm liking where this is heading. Maybe a couple more of those little bumps, I like them. What do you think so far? I think it's looking really cool. I really like personally, looking at how that wraps up, kind of like a unicorn horn. I think I'm gonna add one more small coil to make that look even more swirly and magical. I think it looks amazing. You could even take one of these skewers and add more detail. This time, instead of adding clay, you could press into the clay. Like, let's see, if I wanted to define this hand a little more, maybe I would just press in around like that. Okay, I'll show you more. I kind of like that. It makes it look like separate pieces instead of just one. The sculpting part is done, and this magical wand looks very magical to me. It does look like it needs some color, however. I'm gonna let this one dry overnight at least. Air dry clay does take a little while to dry out, so you need to be patient. But actually, you don't need to be patient with this video because I made one of these a couple days ago and it is dry right now. So I'm gonna put this one aside, grab that one, and that's the one we will paint. I have 2 coats of paint on here and they're pretty much dry, so I think it's time to add a little glitter. Or a lot, depends. I'm gonna put my glitter on today with a spray glue. You could use regular glue or glitter glue. For this one, I just need to spray a little bit on. Add some glitter. Oh yes, oh yeah, it's so cool. Dump off the extra. We're gonna let it dry its final time, and then it's time to do some magic. It's done! Isn't it awesome? I think it's so cool. It looks fun and magical. I do kind of wish I'd put a ribbon on it. Cool! It already works! I want to try it out on more things. I wish we were outside. What? It totally worked! We're outside! By Sunny. Do you remember Sunny from when we made paper on Earth Day? Wow, Sunny's doing so great. I actually can wish. I wish Sunny had some flowers. Whoa. I wish you could smell it. Hey, we have a magic wand. What have you ever wished grew on trees before? Maybe some candy. I wish that Sunny was a candy tree. Okay, this is one of the best crafts we've ever made. Let's see. I kind of want to see a bird, don't you? I love birds. Okay, I wish that we could see a bird. What if we changed it into, I wish we could see a fish! Oh! I wish that this, right here, I wish that this grass turned into a flower. I wish that this whole yard was full of flowers. Hash Brown, are you seeing this? Hash Brown, what have you ever wished for? Maybe Hash Brown wishes for a dog treat that was even bigger than him. What do you think? Amazing. I know he's not gonna like this, but what if we just for a second turned Hash Brown into a cat? I wish Hash Brown was a cat. Oh, sorry. Oof. Sorry, buddy. I wish I could dance with a dragon. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, what if the dragon was an astronaut? I wish that my friend would know how loved they are, how special they are. Wouldn't it be amazing if these magic wands could really change things like this so fast? But you know what? You and I do have some magical powers, even if they're not wands. We can make the world more kind, more beautiful, more full of bravery and curiosity and amazing inventions and questions just by being exactly who we are. So you, my friend, enjoy making this imaginary magic and enjoy using the very real magic that is exactly who you are. I'll see you next time. Oh, I forgot. If you want to make more things with me, you know I want to make more things with you. There's lots of more videos where we can hang out together. Just search for Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. And I'll see you soon.